Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can censor bad words with VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to click on new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based and then you can choose a video you want to censor bad words in. And wait, I'm just going to choose video from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still searching for my video. Wait, my video is here, but wait, sorry. Okay, this is the video and I'm going to censor bad word in this video. I'm going to import this video to my VN project. And then make sure you have prepared a beep sound to censor the bad word, guys. I have downloaded beep sound from the internet and I'm going to add the sound to this project. So I'm going to click on music and then select music. And then if you want to add music from your device, you can click on my music right here. And then you can go to the file app or you can go to the music library. Okay, I have added the beep sound to my music list. This is the beep sound I have just downloaded from the internet and I'm going to use it. Okay, and I'm going to click on the check mark. And then we can choose the part of our video we want to censor, and I'm just going to pick a random part of my video. Today is his birthday. I'm going to censor his birthday words. Okay, this is the part I'm going to censor. So I'm going to split it right here. We can tap on split and split the part from our video. Oops. His birthday. Okay, and then I'm going to move this beep sound here on the part I have splitted. Okay, I'm going to move it here and then you can adjust the video until you satisfied with the result, and I'm going to play it. Today is his birthday. Okay, and don't forget to mute the part. I'm going to go to the volume and I'm going to mute it. Right, and then let's play it again to check it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to censor bad word in our video using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.